Hey everyone, so today I wanted to come on here and do a Cartier unboxing. I did a little bit of shopping at Cartier and I got a lot of really amazing things that I wanted to go and show you. And so I'm going to input some footage of me actually shopping at the Cartier store, and then I'll show you guys what I got. So it's a little bit of a come shopping with me. So I hope you guys like this video because I super excited to show you guys what I got.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just put some.
Well, it does fit, doesn't it?
That's a small one. We have one even smaller than that, but I don't imagine.
No,
Right.
okay.
See this clasp here? You just stick your finger in between and prop it up. There you go. You just get leverage and you just prop
And
it
you
up.
do it again?
Yep.
Oh, right there.
Right there.
And then you.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
Let me remove this plastic thing
Oh,
over here from
thank you.
the watch. So, and obviously we could remove links.
Yeah, so
Probably
you can
need
make it a
couple
little bit.
links. Yeah.
Okay, you can remove the links and then you can also add links.
You can always add links, right?
Okay, so I like this one. I like the size, I like this watch. I wanted to see if it could just, basically the silver, but with that in it.
Just the diamonds?
Yeah.
We have that.
Yeah. I mean, that fits perfectly.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with the biggest box right here, and so this is called the Guerlain Bag. This is what it looks like. Isn't it so pretty? I think it's so gorgeous. And I had it embossed. So it says JP right here in gold, which obviously are my initials. So absolutely love this bag. It's gonna be so cute for going out. Now if you look inside this bag, it actually looks or reminds me of like a Fendi bag a little bit. The strap that comes with it. You see, like, okay, it has a lot of stuff in it. I think it came with 2 dust bags actually, but you see like how it's like one side separated, and then it comes with this mirror. This is actually a mirror, so if you take this off, it's a mirror. But I'm really happy about this. I'm actually gonna take, so it comes with a strap and it's adjustable. I'm just gonna put this in here. And then you also have the ability to put this inside and just carry it like this. Or you can put it out there like that, but I think it's such an amazing bag. So I'm really happy I got this. Okay, so The next couple of things are in this bag right here. This thing right here specifically is for the bag. It's called leather lotion, and they just ended up putting this in here just so I could have it. These are the sunglasses. Let me show you guys what they look like. Has a little panther on the side. I think these look so pretty. I'd love to know what you guys think. But I'm absolutely in love with this side. It's kind of like a mix between a cat eye and an aviator. So I thought these were really cute. And I really like the case, so I'm gonna baby these. And also I'm in New York right now, so it's loud. And last but not least, there's this right here. So excited to show you guys what this is. So this is the Panther Watch. It's in silver and it has diamonds in the bezel. And I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. So one last thing to show you though. What do you think is inside here? Comment below and let me know. What do you think is inside here? Pause the video and leave a comment. Okay? All right. And here it is. It's a bottle of Cartier champagne. I was so lucky to get this, and I'm so happy. And until I get another one, I'm not gonna open this. So it's just gonna be like safekeeping in a collection, but hopefully in the future I'm able to get more than one of these bottles for sure. Anywho, guys, that is the end of the video. I know it wasn't super long, but I hope you guys like my little Cartier haul. And if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.